Kazakhstan's economy grew by 6.5% in 2025 compared to 5% in the previous year. The main drivers of growth were the transport sector, construction, mining and trade, according to Finance Minister Madi Takiyev at a plenary session of the Mazhilis of the Parliament of Kazakhstan. He presented the government's report on the execution of the national budget. Revenues amounted to over 21 trillion tenge, while own revenues of the national budget increased by 17.5%, exceeding 15 trillion tenge. According to the minister, the increase in income was driven by economic expansion, higher tax revenues, and improved administrative efficiency. Budget expenditures totaled 25.5 trillion tenge, with all government social obligations fulfilled. More than 7.5 trillion tenge was allocated to regional support and over 9 trillion tenge to the social sector. Takiyev noted that the focus is not only on quantitative indicators but also on creating long-term conditions for sustainable development. Infrastructure modernization continues, the country's transit capacity is expanding, and new production facilities and digital projects are being launched. Work on developing engineering infrastructure has continued. A total of 980.5 kilometers of engineering and communications networks have been laid. In addition, 6,300 kilometers of water supply and drainage systems have been built and repaired. Significant funds have been allocated to transport infrastructure. A total of around 13,000 kilometers of roads have been covered by various types of works, with particular attention to the agricultural sector. 1.1 trillion tenge was allocated in 2025, which is 172 billion tenge more than in 2024.